Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mixing bowls that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the bzyoo Confetti Nesting Mixing Bowls set, a vibrant and colorful 4-piece set that stands out for its aesthetics and practicality. These bowls are made of durable melamine, which is lightweight and BPA-free, making them safe for your kitchen needs. With sizes ranging from 18 ounces to 4-quart teas, this set is perfect for light food prepping and casual serving tasks. The confetti pattern and festive colors add a pop of personality to any kitchen, making them a great choice for those who prioritize style alongside functionality. The design features a space-saving nesting system, allowing the bowls to stack neatly and save over 50% of storage space compared to traditional sets. While they lack lids, their open design is ideal for quick access and airflow, which is great for simple tasks like tossing salads or mixing batters. They're also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze, although they aren't microwave safe, which limits their versatility slightly. The melamine construction is sturdy, but it might not provide the same heavy-duty feel as stainless steel or glass options. If you're someone who values aesthetics and lightweight portability in your kitchen tools, the bzyoo Confetti Nesting Mixing Bowl set is a fun and affordable option. However, it's best suited for casual use rather than heavy-duty cooking. Pros include vibrant design, lightweight material, and space-saving storage. Cons are the lack of lids and incompatibility with microwaves. Overall, this is a stylish and practical option for lighter kitchen tasks. Number 4, we have the Umite Chef Mixing Bowls with Airtight Lids set, an 8-piece stainless steel set that combines durability with versatility. This set includes bowls ranging from 1.5 cute to 5 cute, making it suitable for a variety of tasks, from mixing dough to serving salads. The standout feature is the inclusion of airtight BPA-free lids, which keep your food fresh and enable easy storage without spills. Additionally, it comes with grater attachments for slicing, grating, and shredding directly into the bowl, a feature that adds convenience and reduces cleanup. The design includes silicone non-slip bottoms, ensuring stability during mixing and protecting your countertops from scratches. The stainless steel construction is sturdy and rust-resistant, with a brushed exterior finish that lends an elegant touch. These bowls nest neatly for space-saving storage and are dishwasher safe, although the lids are better suited for hand washing to avoid warping. However, the set is not microwave safe, which may limit its overall versatility. This set is ideal for home chefs who need a reliable, compact solution for food prepping, mixing, and storage. Pros include the airtight lids, grater attachments, and non-slip bases, while cons are the lack of microwave compatibility and slightly heavier weight. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality stainless steel set with added functionality. Coming in at number 3, we have another offering from Umite Chef, the 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowls set. This set takes versatility to the next level, with bowls ranging from 1 quart to an impressive 7 quarts, perfect for both small and large-scale cooking. The set also includes airtight lids, 3 grater attachments, and a variety of kitchen tools like a whisk, spatula, and measuring spoons. Whether you're prepping ingredients, mixing batters, or serving dishes, this set is designed to handle it all. The bowls feature non-slip silicone bottoms, ensuring they stay firmly in place during use. The stainless steel construction is durable and rust-resistant, with a mirror finish interior that's easy to clean and a matte finish exterior for added dent resistance. Like its sibling set, these bowls nest for space-efficient storage and are dishwasher safe, though the lids require hand washing. While it's packed with features, the set's larger size and added components mean it's heavier and takes up more storage space overall. This set is perfect for heavy-duty cooking and baking, as well as food storage. Pros include the wide size range, additional kitchen tools, and durable construction, while cons are the heavier weight and lack of microwave compatibility. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a comprehensive and durable mixing bowl set. At number 2, we have the WHYSKO Meal Prep Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl Set, a 5-piece set designed for simplicity and durability. This set includes bowls ranging from 0.75 quarts to 5 quarts, making it versatile enough for meal prep, mixing, and serving. The bowls are crafted from food-grade stainless steel, which is rust and corrosion resistant, ensuring long-term durability. Their smooth steel design minimizes scratches and is gentle on utensils, creating a user-friendly experience. A standout feature is their nested storage capability, allowing the bowls to stack neatly and save cabinet space. They are dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free, but they're not microwave safe, which limits their functionality slightly. The lack of lids might be a drawback for those looking for storage solutions, but for straightforward mixing tasks, these bowls excel. With their solid construction and lightweight design, they're perfect for everyday use without feeling cumbersome. If you're seeking eco-friendly, heavy-duty mixing bowls with a minimalist design, the WHYSKO set is an excellent choice. Pros include their durability, nested storage, and ease of cleaning, while cons are the lack of lids and microwave compatibility. It's ideal for those who prioritize simplicity and long-lasting quality in their kitchen tools. And the top spot goes to the Pyrex Essentials Glass Mixing Bowls Set, a trusted staple in kitchens for generations. This 3-piece set includes 1 quart, 1.5 quart, and 2.5 quart bowls, making it perfect for prepping, baking, and serving. Made from high-quality tempered glass, these bowls are stain-resistant, odor-free, and durable. They're safe for use in the freezer, microwave, and dishwasher, offering maximum versatility and convenience. Whether you're mixing batter, storing leftovers, or reheating food, this set is designed to make your life easier. The clear glass design is both functional and stylish, allowing you to easily see the contents. Unlike stainless steel or melamine, glass is non-reactive, meaning it won't retain odors or flavors from previous uses. The bowls are lightweight yet sturdy, with a reliable build quality that stands up to everyday use. Pyrex has been a trusted brand for decades, and this set continues to deliver the same durability and practicality that cooks have relied on. Priced at an affordable $17.99, the Pyrex Essentials set offers unbeatable value for its versatility and performance. Pros include its multi-use compatibility, durable construction, and easy maintenance, while cons are its limited size range and the potential fragility of glass if dropped. It's the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable, all-in-one solution for mixing, storing, and heating food. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.